Welcome to the build schedule for the Four Horsemen for 2026. Thank you for joining us. We had a great year for 2025. This was our best year overall. We had over 300 builds and we've still got a couple months to go yet. 20 first-time participants in the builds. This year we had the Horseshoe Awards. Here's our Bronze Horseshoe Award winners, and we're awarding more and more every single month, which is fantastic. Here are the Silver Horseshoe Award winners. It just boggles my mind. These folks are some great builders and we want you to be part of it too. Here are the Gold Horseshoe Award winners, Radio Flyer and Jody Sims. Here are the Platinum Horseshoe Award winners, Armor Cat Auto Works, Black Eagle Diecast, Somo Diecast, and Santa Slow Dog. This year we're going to have 10 community builds. No months with 2 builds, which is going to take the pressure off a little bit, and no builds in the month of August or December. This way you'll be able to concentrate more on getting your build done without having to worry about hurrying it. The guest horsemen are going to be determined as we go along, and you've got to be able to do some videos and stuff like that if you're the guest horseman and have a little bit of experience under your belt. Contact me at fourhorsemendiecast@gmail.com if you want to be a guest horseman. 2026 is going to be absolutely incredible. We're going to have 10 community builds. The guest horsemen will be determined. That way there we're not asking you a year in advance. And there is a lineup change here, folks. For 2026, for the month of January, shop trucks. Now the build is due the end of the month, the last day. Please don't send your glamour shots any sooner because they get lost in the emails. For February, it's rally car. And you can use any casting you wish, but try and gear it towards more the rally car thing. The month of March, super detail. Let's see the spark plug wires, the exhaust tips, the blowers on top of the car, the seats, etc. For April, we've got movie monsters. And that's going to be a great build too. Of course, that was my idea, but hey, it's going to be fun. National Red Line Day, May 18th. Get your old Hot Wheels or make a car that you wish was a red line. That's going to be fun. Now new, 6-wheel drive. Take any car and turn it into a 6-wheel drive. This is going to be great. Tom from Spork Syndicate was your idea. The month of July, movie car. Pick a car from a movie that you really love and let's see you make that car. That's going to be a great time. For September, Detroit Muscle. Again, we're not doing one the end of August, but Detroit Muscle. Let's see the Pontiacs and the Mopars and the Fords, etc., the Chevys. For the month of October, we've got the Paint It Pink Challenge. As usual, breast cancer awareness, folks. It's going to be a great tribute. For the month of November, long roof. Okay, let's see a station wagon or a vehicle with a long roof. And again, you can use any casting, any size, any scale. It doesn't matter. Andrew from Maple Leaf Customs is stepping down. He's in his retirement years. He just wants to be able to concentrate on his fun times. Here are some of the builds that Andrew has done. And again, he's not leaving. He's still going to participate in the Four Horsemen builds. He's going to participate in his own things. But this way here, he'll have more time to dedicate to his fun, his lovely wife, his retirement, etc. And I tell you, the stuff that Andrew builds, my favorite one that he has done was the Giga Horse. That one right there. I love the Giga Horse. He's really good at making the 3D stuff and making the builds. And again, Andrew is just going to cut back some. He's not leaving. Ron from Somo Diecast is going to be our Four Horsemen replacement. We welcome Ron. He's an incredible builder. He does some great stuff. And believe it or not, he doesn't use an airbrush. Here's some of Ron's builds over the years. Look at the detail on some of these. Of course, I still try to convince him, get an airbrush, buddy.
Remember, Four Horsemen builds are open to everyone. You don't have to have a social media platform to participate. Just send a high-quality, widescreen glamour shot of your build to 4horsemendiecast@gmail.com to be included in our recap videos. We need those by the build due date. If you are uploading, be sure to use hashtag 4horsemendiecast so we can all find your stuff.
To recognize those talented builders who participate in Four Horsemen builds regularly, we developed the Horseshoe Awards. A horseshoe is earned based on the number of builds someone participates in dating back to January 2023. You get a bronze horseshoe after participating in 6 builds. Silva horseshoes go to those who have completed 12 builds. Gold horseshoes are earned after participating in 24 builds. Platinum horseshoes go to those who have completed 36 builds. And diamond horseshoes are awarded to builders who have participated in 48 Four Horsemen Diecast community builds.
Again, I want to thank you for a great 2025, and this schedule for 2026 is going to be absolutely incredible. If you have any questions, just let me know and we'll do our best to answer them for you. The build schedule will be posted at Four Horsemen Diecast on the YouTube channel, so you can check it out anytime you wish. It's 25 is a great year. 26 is going to be even better. We wish our friend Andrew well, and we welcome Ron at Somo Diecast. Thank you and cheers.